Hey there, Profitable Creator, Molly here, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can sell your online course and start enrolling students without needing Facebook ads or any paid advertising. Listen, by the end of this video, you are going to know exactly how to build an audience that wants to purchase your course without needing to spend a dime building the audience. Now, if you do not know my story, personally, I have done over $7 million in online course sales, and every single course, I pre-sold it before I created it. I built an audience from scratch. Most recently, I went from $0 to $20,000 in 30 days with no audience, no following, nothing at all, no paid ads, nothing. And I'm going to teach you how to do just that. So if this sounds like a topic you're interested in, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to learn more about online courses, how to sell them, how to build an audience for them, how to scale them, and even make consistent money month over month, go ahead and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so listen, I have tried every single type of social media. I'm on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all the things, right? But I'm telling you this from someone who has made over $7 million with online courses and helped 5,000 plus small business owners all over the world. I can tell you that the best, fastest, and cheapest way to grow an audience from scratch for your online course is Facebook groups. Now, you might be thinking, but I want to do TikTok, but I want to do Instagram, but I want to do blah, 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 blah. Well, you can go ahead and do whatever you want, but if you want to follow my method that has worked for me and my students greatly in building a following from scratch for $0 very quickly, then you're going to want to listen up. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is create a Facebook group, and you want to think very, very carefully about the title of your Facebook group. You're going to want to think to yourself and ask yourself, what is a group or a community that I can create for my ideal customer that they're going to see that title and think, I want to join that group. This is the group that you need to create. This is the way that you're going to build a community and a following from scratch very, very quickly. Okay, so now you're probably wondering, that's great. I know how to create a Facebook group. I just go into Facebook, go to groups, create my own group, put the title, right? That's easy. But Molly, how do I actually get people in my group? Now, you can do this. This is the way that I recommend. And again, I do have a lot of people fight me on this, but this is the way that works for me and works for my students. So the first thing you want to do is add 50 people into your group from your friends list. Now, this is where I get a lot of people saying, but I don't want my friends in the group. I don't want my family in the group. My question for you is, why not? Like, if you're creating something you're passionate about, why don't you want those people to know about it? If you really don't, there are ways to get around it. You can go into different groups. You can go and, do different ways to get people to your group. But I'm telling you, this is the fastest way to do it. So it's up to you at this point if you want to listen to this advice or not, obviously. So what I do is I add 50 people from my friends list that I know for a fact would be very interested in this, want to be in this Facebook group and interested in my course topic and potentially would purchase the course that I have in mind, right? Then after I've built the group, named the group, added 50 people in, then I'm going to go ahead and do what I call a group grow giveaway. Okay. This is essentially where I'm going to host a giveaway and say, hey, whoever adds the most people to this group is going to win XYZ prize. You can have 1 prize, 2 prize, 3 prizes, whatever you want to do. And you basically just tell people, go ahead and add all of your friends. But you can put rules, right? Like I tell people, it has to be women of this age range, of this, that match my ideal client, right? Like I don't want people just spamming a bunch of random people into my Facebook group. So I definitely create rules around the contest in who they can invite. And then whoever invites the most people into the group, they get the first place prize. Whoever invites the second most amount gets the second place prize. Prizes, I've done different things from one-on-one coaching to books to course access to different things. So that is really how I do it. And you might be thinking, this is so stupid easy. This is simple. I've already heard this. Then my question for you is, why don't you already have a big group? Why don't you already have sales, right? This is something that, yes, it's simple and easy, but you need to actually execute it. And the biggest key is you need to do it over and over and over and over again. The first time you do this, it's going to be hard. You're going to be like, I need to find 50 people. I need to host a contest. Not that many people are interested in the contest. Tag people, get them going, get them excited about it. The more you do this over and over and over, the better it gets. And that's really the biggest thing I see that people that struggle with building an audience. The problem is because they're like, oh, this didn't work. I'm going to go to TikTok. This didn't work. I'm going to go to Instagram. This didn't work. I'm going to go to build an email list. But the thing is, you really just need to find a proven method like the one I'm sharing with you now and do it over and over and over and over again. We cannot get entrepreneurial, creative, ADD and want to go and do all these different things. You're really going going to have the most success when you focus in and you replicate those results over and over again. So those are the 3 different things. Create your Facebook group and name it to attract your ideal customers, invite 50 people from your friends and family list to get you started, and host a giveaway to exponentially just explode that group, and then do that giveaway over and over again. I've even done this every single week, every single month. Personally, I don't believe you can do that. Like, I wouldn't do it more than once a week, but I personally believe you cannot do too many giveaways in the beginning. It's going to really get you that fast momentum, building an audience for free really, really quickly that you can then turn around and sell your online course to. Okay, so at this point, you might be thinking, okay, this is cool and everything, but how do I come up with my course topic? How do I know if it's going to sell? How do I actually sell these followers once I get them into my Facebook group to actually purchase my course? How do I build my course? All of these questions and more I have answered in my free training, How to Turn Your Passion into an Online Course That's Profitable from Day One. So I'm going to bring up my slides and show you step by step how you can easily grab your free seat and watch this on-demand training right now. Just go to profitablecourses.com/class. And here it's going to take you to a page where you can sign up for the class. The class is called How to Turn Your Passion into an Online Course That's Profitable from Day One. Even if you're unsure what to teach, feel inexperienced, don't have a following, or you're short on time. We're going to be covering my profitable idea framework so you can nail down your course idea or ensure the one that you already have picked out will be profitable and get your students crazy good results. I'm going to be showing you my Post-it Power Hour framework so you can create your course content in 1 hour and get your course up and running ASAP. I'm also going to be sharing with you my profitable following framework and how I use it to grow a following from $0 to $17,000 in course enrollments in 30 days, even during the peak of the pandemic. This is super fun workshop. You're going to get a ton out of it. As soon as you enroll, you're going to get a bonus of my Profitable Course Kickstart workbook, and I'm going to be sending you some additional free training videos so that you can start to get results and help right away. Students have had great results with my teaching, so go ahead, just click any of the pink Yes, I'd Want to Attend buttons. Go ahead and select the date and time that you want. It will ask you to put your time zone, first name, email address, and phone number is optional, and then you can click to register now. I can't wait to see you there.